New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
The Ford C-Max Hybrid and C-Max Energy Plug-in Hybrid are the fun-to-drive advanced technology hybrids. Whichever one you choose, it'll be so spirited and spacious, your friends will love it. And so will you, every time you drive past a gas station. Choose from 4 models: the Hybrid SE, Hybrid Titanium, Energy SE, or Energy Titanium. With its power split hybrid architecture, the C-Max's lithium-ion battery and 2-liter Atkinson cycle inline-4 gas engine can work together or separately, delivering maximum efficiency and best-in-class combined horsepower. Its features are just as impressive as its performance. There's seating for 5 with best-in-class passenger volume. An available class-exclusive hands-free foot-activated liftgate gives you access to almost 53 cubic feet of cargo space when your hands are full. And with voice-activated sync technology, you can keep your eyes on the road and stay connected. Sync comes standard on SE and SEL models, and Titanium and Sport models come equipped with Sync 3. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a C-Max that's all yours. The C-Max Hybrid and C-Max Energy, where efficiency and performance meet.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.